Hey there, credit card warriors. Tired of that boring plain plastic in your wallet? Let's jazz it up. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your credit card into a fun, unique piece of art. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about credit card skins. Think of them as little fashion statements for your card. You can find these online, and they're super easy to apply. Just peel and stick. Want a galaxy theme? Boom! How about your favorite quote? Done! It's like giving your card a personality. Next, consider a custom card design from your bank. Many banks let you upload your own photo. Imagine swiping your card and seeing your dog's adorable face. Instant mood booster. Or maybe a picture from your last epic vacation. You'll be reminded of those relaxing beach vibes every time you buy groceries. Now, sticker time. Remember those cute stickers you used to decorate your notebooks with? Well, they're perfect for your credit card too. Just make sure they're small enough not to cover the chip or magnetic stripe. Think tiny smiley faces, stars, or even a mini superhero. It's like a tiny party every time you pay. Ever heard of washi tape? It's this amazing decorative tape that's easy to apply and super forgiving if you make a mistake. You can create stripes, patterns, or even a little frame around your card. Plus, it's removable so you can switch up your design whenever you want. For the tech-savvy folks, how about a digital card design? Some payment apps let you customize your digital credit card image. Pick something that makes you smile every time you open the app. It's a small change, but hey, it's the little things, right? And here's a fun tip. Why not color code your cards? Use different designs for different purposes. One look at the card and you know whether it's for groceries, dining, or that secret fund for spontaneous road trips. So there you have it. 6 fun and easy ways to customize your credit card. Remember, your card style is only limited by your imagination. And the best part? It makes spending money just a little more fun. And who couldn't use a bit more fun in their life? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tips. Until next time, happy customizing!